Okay, guys, this is the lecture over 5.1. So in this lecture, we're going to learn how to solve systems of equations. So when you got a system of equations, it means you've got usually at least two equations. So when you're asked, is a point a solution to this system, you plug that point in for x and y, and to determine if it fits the bill. So when I plug it into x plus 2y equals 2, it does work. That doesn't mean it's a solution, because now I have to try it in the second equation. Only if it works in both equations is it a solution. It works in both equations, so yes, 4 negative 1 is a solution to that system of equations up top. Now let's try negative 4, 3. Remember, negative 4 is my x, 3 is my y. Negative 4 plus 6 equals 2. That works, doesn't it? Now plug it in your second equation. Negative 4 minus 2 times 3. So negative 4 minus 6. That doesn't equal 6. So this is not a solution. It works in one, doesn't in the other. No, it's not a solution. That's how you determine, is an ordered pair a solution? Okay? So how do we solve these systems? Excuse me. There's two methods you can use: substitution or elimination / addition. When you're using substitution, you're going to substitute. So look at your variable terms. You want to find the variable that doesn't have a coefficient in front of it. So for me, that's x right here, right? So I want to solve this second equation for x. So I'm going to add 2y to both sides. Once I have solved this for x, I can substitute this expression back up here in place of x. So my first equation now becomes 5 times, instead of x, I put 2y plus 3 minus 4y equals 9. Now that I have an equation with just y in it, I can solve that equation for y. Go back up here. Sorry. Didn't do what I wanted it to do. I accidentally unshared my screen. My apologies. Life as I know it sometimes. Okay, it was brought to my attention that I accidentally put plus 3, and that is a minus 3. So we need to change that. So now I'm going to solve this equation for y. So distribute your 5. Combine your like terms on the left. And just solve for y like a normal equation. So I'm going to add 15 to both sides. and then divide by 6. So I get y equals 4. Once I know y, I can plug y back into this equation I solved for x to find x. So x is 2 times y minus 3, which gives us 5. So solution is 5, 4, the ordered pair. Okay?